I'm in the middle of watching a TV show called Freud. It's on Netflix. I'm not a massive fan of it. Um, I thought I was going to be learning something about Freud, and they're loosely basing it on him, but there's way too much mysticism, and there's way too much of like the psychic who's hypnotizing everybody and has got everybody under this hypnotic thrall, and like they're doing this whole thing. I'm just trying to figure out what is going on. I'm like 3 or 4 episodes into I think an 8 episode series, and they're not. He's kind of touching on the idea of hypnosis as a way to alleviate hysteria, which is really anxiety, which they had a lot of really interesting stuff for. The one thing that I thought was very, very interesting was putting in perspective the crude um, the crude methods that they used at the time of trying to help people mentally, um, and then his thought that there was a unconscious, that there was something other than the conscious, that there were thoughts and things generated from something other than the conscious. To be able to come up with the idea or really pioneer that idea, that is such an incredible insight to have. Um, it's just amazing. I wish the TV show would do a little bit better job pushing it toward that. Right now they're dealing with like crimes happening in the city in Austria, and like it's not working out the way I thought it was gonna. Um, Maybe heavy psychological stuff was too on the nose for the thing, and it's dubbed over in German, so it's it's a little bit rough to watch. But if you can get through it, I give it like a 1, maybe a 2.